Hello, my name is Gabriel and I'm going to show you how to solve problem 9 of the procedure section in the lab, and we're going to solve this problem algebraically. So first we're going to need to factor the top part, and we're going to factor it using a grouping. So first we're going to write 2x squared plus 9x minus 6x minus 27. This is going to be over x squared minus 3x. We're gonna then factor this further to x times 2x plus 9 minus 3 2x plus 9 over x squared minus 3x. This is then going to transfer to x minus 3 times 2x plus 9 over x squared minus 3x. Then we can see that we can factor this further. So we're going to factor that also, limit x3 over x squared minus 3x. Then we can see that we can factor this further. So we're going to factor that also, limit x3 factor out the x, and we can factor these two. We cancel them and we get two x plus 9 over x, and then we can evaluate with the 3. We plug in the 3, so it's 2 times 3 plus 9 divided by 3, which then equals to 16 plus 9, 15 divided by 3, 5, which is the answer.
Hello, my name is Diego, and I'm going to do problem number 8 on the procedure section of the lab. Since in the instructions we are told to do the problem numerically, then we're going to need to do a table of values where on the top you have the number you're going to implement into a function and you put the answer on the bottom. So in this time you need to grab two numbers that are close to 2 coming from the left and two numbers that are close to 2 coming from the right. We chose number 2 because that is the limit of the function, and if you implement it into the function you are left with 0 over 0. So here I chose 1.9, 1.99, 2, 2.01 and 2.1. So first, if we do with the 2, so as you can see we are left with 0 over 0, which you could put with undefined. So after this, if you get an undefined under the limit, this means that you need to do the other values, and it is preferred for you to do it with a calculator, so I'm going to do it with a calculator. So here I'm going to put the 1.99. So as you can see here, this is the correct formula, the correct function. And as you can see, the answer was 11.94. So you write it down. And you do this again with the other three numbers. So here we can see you have 11.41. So after we've done this side, we can go over and do this side. So as you can see, we got 12.06. And then we need to put the last value. So as you can see, we got 12.61. So here, you need to look at these numbers and use your intuition to realize which is the most probable number that goes here. And we have 11, then 11.9, then a number, then 12.06, then 12.6. So the most probable number that goes here is 12. So after you have done that, you have your number that is 12, and you put it as the answer.
That's why the answer was number 5. The graph starts pointing to that direction in number 5 when x equals 3. From the left and from the right, they will both coincide into number 5. This is the graph for procedure section number 8. As you can see, the answer is 12. When x approaches 2 from the left, we have 11.999, so it's basically 12. When the x approaches from the right, it is 12.001. So they coincide both into 12. That is why the answer is 12, and the graph demonstrated.